Well, if you got fever, it's time to take your medicine. But the Zippo truck also stopped by. Let's see what he brought today. Alright, this one came in the regular Zippo black box, made in Bradford, PA, and the label is Sugar Skull #1. So this is another Zippo commemorating the Day of the Dead, celebrated on the 1st and 2nd day of November of every year. So this one's on a white matte finish, and it was made in, let's see, that looks like J of 14. So I think that's October. It's on a brass body, so it's got a really good sound. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. That is the Sugar Skull Day of the Dead Zippo. And he will be going into my collection of, I have a few Day of the Dead Zippos. Here's a couple of them. We're going to put him right there for now. And Sugar Skulls definitely can use some cowbell. Knuckle bump.